Guys, in this video, you will learn how you can share the screenshots of the tweets that you shared on Twitter on Instagram automatically. So guys, for this, you just have to connect Twitter as the trigger application of the workflow. And after that, a screenshot type of image will be created out of a tweet that you have shared on Twitter using Switchboard Canvas application, and the same image will be shared on Instagram automatically. So you do not have to manually copy the text that you have tweeted, and you do not have to manually create an image, and you do not have to manually share it on other social media platforms like Instagram. So it will save your time and it will improve your social media visibility as well. And we are going to set up this automation without any coding, just by using a software called as Pabbly Connect. So let's begin. So this is the landing page of Pabbly Connect, and I have pasted the link of this landing page in the description. So guys, from here you can set up your free Pabbly Connect account and you will get free automation tasks every month to test and set up your automations. Okay, so you can just sign up right now from the given link and follow me till the end of the video, and you can create your first workflow right now. Okay, so after signing up, you have to sign in and reach the dashboard of Pabbly Connect, and from here you have to click on this create workflow button, and here you have to give a name to your workflow as well. So I am giving the name here. So I have given this name, and after giving the name, just click on this create button and you can see your workflow page is getting ready here. And on this page, guys, you will find these two modules, the trigger and the action. So with the help of these two things, we are going to set up this automation. So trigger is that event which is going to start this workflow, and the action would be the response or the consequence of the trigger. Okay, so in this trigger section, you have to connect that application in which the trigger event is going to occur. So in our use case, guys, Twitter will be our trigger application because we are creating a tweet in Twitter, and with the help of that tweet, we are going to create a screenshot type of image. Okay, so you have to search for Twitter here. Here it is selected, and the trigger event would be new tweet. Okay, then click on connect, and from here select add new connection, then click on connect with Twitter. And here it will ask for authorizing the application. It might bring you to the login window as well, but I have already logged in, so it is just asking me to authorize the app. So click on authorize app button, and you can see the authorization is getting successful here. Okay, and we are now connected. Okay, so by clicking on save and send test request button, you can fetch the details of most recent tweet that you have shared on your Twitter handle. Okay, so I am clicking on save and send test request here, and this is the response we have received. And in this response, you can see the username details, okay, or the handle's name, and you can see the location of the account. And when you scroll down, you can see the account creation date is here, okay. And when you scroll down, you can see the full text label here, in which you can see the whole tweet that you have shared. So this was the tweet that I have shared on New Year. So the tweet is, I cannot wait to see where the next year bring us. Wishing you nothing but happiness in the new year. Okay, and this is the creation date of this tweet. You can see here 28th of December is the creation date. Right, now guys, I want to create a screenshot type of image of this tweet using Switchboard Canvas application, and for that I have created a template inside Switchboard Canvas, and this is the template you can see. And in this template you can see I have this image element. Here I am going to place the image of the user, okay, whose Twitter account is here, and here I am going to place the name. Here I am going to place the Twitter handle's name, here the tweet I have shared, and here the date on which I have shared the tweet. Okay, so guys, for filling all these elements, first of all you have to connect Switchboard Canvas application here in this action step. Okay, but before this, you can see we have the name, we have the creation date of the tweet as well. But in this date, you can see we have the date, the time, and we have this extra numbers as well. Okay, with this plus sign. So I'm going to remove these extra things so that we can place just the date and the time on this template here, right? And let's see if we have the URL or the link of the profile image or not. So here, let me check the labels. Okay, so here you can see guys, we have this profile background image URL, and when you just open this, we have this image, okay, image link, and here we have this user profile image URL field in which we have the image. Okay, so I'm going to select this JPG kind of image, and here guys we have the creation date of the tweet. So let me just remove these extra things. For that, just click here on this plus icon and another action step will open up, and from here I'm going to search for text formatter. Search for text formatter. Okay, and the action event would be split text. Okay, and click on connect, and with the help of split text action event we can split the data here from this plus sign. Okay, so I am using split text, and here it is asking which text you want to split. So I am going to map this label, this created at label, here in this field. For that, you just have to click here, and the previous step will appear in the drop down like this, and when you click on it you will find all the data here only. So from here, select the created at label like this. Okay, and in the separator I'm going to use this plus sign. Okay, so plus sign is our separator because I want to remove these extra things, extra numbers after this plus sign. Okay, and I want this part of the date and the time. Okay, for that, just put plus sign as the separator, and here it is asking which part you want to separate out. So here you have to provide the segment index. Segment means the segment that you want to split out of this given text. So I want that this date would be should split it out. For that, you can see this is the first part and this is the second part. Okay, and this is the separator. So I'm going to select first option here, then click on save and send test request, and here you can see guys we got the date fetched along with time. Okay, now in this action step I'm going to connect with Switchboard canvas application to create a screenshot kind of image, and the action event would be create images only. Then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, and here it is asking for the API key. So to find this API key, you need to reach the template section of Switchboard canvas. So let me show you that. This is my Switchboard canvas application. I'm going to click on templates, and under this templates page you can see we have this view your API key button right here on the top right. Click on it and use this post type key. Just click on copy and paste this key here, and then click on save, and you will be connected with Switchboard canvas. Okay, right, like this. And here it is asking to select your template. So the name of my template is this one. Let me show you, the tweet. Okay, this is the template we are using. So let me select it from here, tweet. Okay, and then it is asking for the width and the height of the image that you want to create. So you can find out about these details by opening your template. Okay, and when you select this template on this panel, you can see the width and the height. So this is the width and the height. Let me put it here, 1080. Okay, and here you can select the format that you want to generate. You want a PNG, JPG, or any other. I'm selecting PNG only, right? And here it is asking tweet text, profile pic. What are all these things? So guys, these are the names of the variable elements we have here. You can see when you select the summary, you can see this is the summary element in which you have to place the date and the time. When you click on handle, you can see this is the handle where you have to place the handle's name. When you click on name, you can see this is the name element where you have to place the name. This is the profile pic, this is the tweet element, and this is the whole background. Okay, so I want to change all these things except this background. I do not want to change the background. If you want to change it, you can. Okay, so let me just fill in all these things. So to get the elements change automatically for every new tweet, you have to map the values of these elements here in the workflow. Okay, and we are going to map the things from this previous step, from the trigger step where we have fetched the details of the tweet. Okay, so just scroll down here, and the first field is the tweet text. That means here you have to place the whole text of the tweet that you have shared on Twitter. So just click here, and from this first tab, find this full text label. Here you can see the full text label, map it, okay. For the profile pic, you can use the URLs that you have received. So I'm using this user profile image URL label, okay, like this. For the name, you can see the name of the handle, name of the user. This is the handle's name. And you can see the username is here. I'm mapping the username. In the summary, you have to map the date and the time, as I have told you. Here you can see the summary element is here. So here I am going to map the date and time from the second step where we have splitted out the date and time like this, okay. I am going to leave the background field blank because I do not want to change the background. And in the handle field, I am going to map the handle's name like this, okay. So we are done mapping all the details. So you can check your connection with Switchboard Canvas by clicking on Save and Send Test Request button like this. And you will see a new image getting created using Switchboard Canvas, and you will find the response here like this. And in this response, in this sizes 0 URL label, you can see the new image created. Okay, so this is the new image. Let me open this for you. And here you can see, guys, in this new image, the text is changed, the handle's name is changed, the name is changed, the profile pic is changed, and the date is changed. All the things got changed automatically, and a screenshot is created. And now we can share this same screenshot on Instagram. Okay, for that, just click here on this plus icon and connect Instagram for Business here in this action step. Here is Instagram for Business. All right, and the action event would be publish photo. Select publish photo option, then click on connect. From here, select add new connection, then click on connect with Instagram. All right, so I have already logged in Instagram, so it just got connected. If you're not logged in, it might bring you to the login window. Okay, and here it is asking which account you are using. So the name of my account is this Joe. Okay, so it got selected here. You can select it from the list. Okay. Here it is asking the photo URL that you want to share on Instagram. So we have received the URL here in the previous step in this label. So I'm going to map this label here in this field. For that, just click here, and from this last step, map this label like this. Okay, right? Now you can provide a caption as well if you want. I'm just going to leave it blank right now. But if you want to place a caption, you can place a caption. Okay, now let's check our connection with Instagram. I'm going to click on Save and Send Test Request here. And we are going to check the profile if we got a new Instagram post created. So here you can see we have received these two IDs. Okay, let's check my Instagram account. So this is my profile, and let me refresh this. And here you can see a new image is shared here on Instagram, and this is the same image that we have generated using Switchboard Canvas. Okay, so this is how it is going to work, guys. So we are done setting up this automation, and you have to set up this only once. After that, you don't have to do anything manually here. After that, whenever you will share a new tweet on Twitter, a screenshot type of image will be automatically created using this workflow, and it will be shared on your Instagram like this automatically. Okay, and this workflow is going to run in the background. And guys, you can use this workflow as well, as I'm going to paste the link of this workflow in the description, and you can clone it in your own free Pabbly Connect account and start using this automation instantly. Guys, thank you so much for watching our video, and please let us know how our automation ideas are helping you in the comment section. And if you have any queries related to this application, please ask your queries from this forum link, and do check the pricing of this application from this link. And guys, we are open to ideas. If you want us that we should make videos on other aspects of your business, please do let us know in the comment section. And if you like our work, please subscribe to our channel.